Have you ever put on an outfit that fit perfectly, yet somehow made you look tired? It may not be the style, it may simply be the color. The surprising truth is that the colors many women naturally reach for after 50 are often the very ones that make their complexion look dull, emphasize shadows, and quietly add years. The good news? Changing just a few colors can completely transform the way your face looks, without changing your hairstyle, your makeup, or your size. Today I'm sharing the 5 colors that consistently make women over 50 look fresher, brighter, and more elegant. Before we begin, if you love any of the looks you see today, you'll find the products tagged on the left side of the screen. Just click the tags to explore them. I've also included links to these pieces and similar alternatives in the description below, so you can easily recreate the look in your own wardrobe. As we age, our skin naturally reflects light differently. The contrast we had in our 20s slowly softens. That's why colors that once looked beautiful can suddenly feel too harsh. The answer isn't wearing brighter colors, it's choosing softer, richer versions that work with your complexion instead of against it. Let's begin with the one I recommend more than any other. If I could only recommend one color for women over 50, it would be ivory. Not bright white, not yellow cream. Beautiful, soft ivory. It reflects light back onto your face and immediately creates softness. Think about standing near a window. Ivory works almost like natural light. It gently brightens your complexion. Whenever possible, wear ivory close to your face. An ivory blouse, a cashmere sweater, a silk scarf. You'll notice your skin looks healthier before you've even applied makeup. Most women replace black with nothing. Instead, replace it with navy. Navy gives you the same sophistication, the same elegance, the same slimming effect. But unlike black, it doesn't absorb all the light around your face. It allows your features to stay soft while still creating beautiful definition. That's why navy blazers, navy trousers, and navy coats have become timeless classics. They never compete with your face, they frame it. Sage has just enough softness to flatter mature skin while still feeling modern. A sage linen shirt, a lightweight knit, even a simple sage scarf with ivory instantly looks expensive. Sometimes the quietest colors make the biggest difference. This isn't pink. It's the softest version of blush. Imagine the color of a rose petal or ballet slippers. Muted blush naturally brings warmth back into the face because it echoes the gentle flush we naturally lose over time. The trick is choosing dusty blush, not bright pink. Pair it with ivory or navy. The result feels feminine without feeling overly sweet, elegant rather than trendy. Most women think of cognac as a leather color, but it's actually one of the most powerful anti-aging accents you can own. A cognac belt, a beautiful leather handbag, classic boots, a silk scarf. Cognac adds warmth without overwhelming the outfit. Against ivory, it creates richness. Against navy, it creates depth. Against sage, it feels effortlessly luxurious. Sometimes it's the accessory, not the clothing, that transforms the entire look. Enjoy learning timeless style principles like these, I'd love to invite you to join our elegant community. We go beyond trends and build wardrobes piece by piece, beautifully, intentionally, and at a pace that feels effortless. You'll find the link below. Looking younger isn't about dressing like someone else. It's about choosing colors that bring light back to your face. Remember these 5: ivory, navy, sage, soft blush, and cognac. Together, they create one timeless wardrobe that works season after season, because you are never too old to look extraordinary.